day. You're welcome to your inventory dashboard with Accurabiz. Again, thank you so much for getting this spreadsheet. This is more than a business tool, yes. It is you bringing awareness, clarity into your business. So, yeah, let's get straight to the point on how to make use of your inventory dashboard. This particular one is the sales and stock tracker. Yes. Okay, so these are for businesses that probably have a shop or you have more than one of a particular item in your business and you would love to always track what is in your business. Likewise, you would love to see how you are making progress in your business. So yeah, the first sheet here is our user guide where you will be seeing a written guide as to how to make use of the spreadsheet, followed by the inventory dashboard. Yes, so I can basically call this the base of your business. This is the base of the dashboard you have gotten. This is where you, in whatever you input here, regulate every other output you see in your dashboard. Okay, so where my I just want you to follow my cursor. So this inventory status, you have three categories: in stock, low stock, out of stock. In stock means the products you have in stock. Low stock means, oh, I am running low of this particular product. Out of stock means you no longer have this particular product in stock. And yes, the numbers above shows that, oh, for example, it shows that, oh, you have four products in stock, you have three products on low stock, and you have three products out of stock. That just makes so much sense because right here you can see that you have 10 products. 4 plus 3 plus 3, that's 10. Yes, so your sales channel includes where you are making sales as a business owner, whether on WhatsApp you have your working customers, Snap, Instagram, whatever it is you make sales, and this just makes you know where you are making much more sales as a business owner. So yes, let's see the first column. What I mean by first column is this first line here, column B, which is your product name. So yeah, this is where you input the name of your product. Yes, the name of your product. When people want to buy that particular product for you, what is the name they tell you, or what is the name you have categorized that product with? That is the product name of your business. In the spreadsheet you'll be getting, you just have three products outlisted which you can edit. Yes, so this is a dummy sheet, meaning that this is a copy of what you have, but well populated to explain better to you. So here we have beaded necklace, cat eye sunglasses, denim shirts, sneakers, all of that. Then the next column you have is product category. Oh, you would love to know, for example, you sell different varieties of products. You sell jewelries, you sell shirts, you sell footwear, you sell accessories, and you just want to be able to categorize your products. So beaded necklace falls under jewelry. Yes, cat eye sunglasses falls under accessories. So description here, how do you know the products that you're even talking about? The beaded necklace, for example, oh, it's a white bead. Wow, very beautiful. So you're able to know the pictorial view. Yes, that's how you describe your product. Then now the variant, which is column E variants. So for example, for a particular product you might have three of it in different sizes, in different colors, and their sizes, their prices vary. So it is important that you are taking note of the varieties of product that you have, whether by size or by your or by colors. Yeah, so the next column we have here is cost per unit. Your cost per unit is how much did you buy this particular product. It is as simple as that. From the market, how much did it cost you, whether after adding your what's it called, your delivery, logistics, how much did it cost you to get that product as a whole. So beaded necklace, from here it shows that, oh, it costed 3,000 to get this particular product. Yes, the next column we want to see is price per unit. How much are you selling this product? Yes, so for example, this beaded necklace, it's a dummy sheet. Let's remember it was bought for 3,200 naira, and this seller decided to sell it for 5,000 naira. This is the base of your business. Whatsoever you input here determines what happens in other places in this workbook. So yes, the next one is initial quantity. As at the time you start making use of this spreadsheet, this business tool, yes, how many products, how many of that particular product did you have? So for example, as at the time you bought this as at the time you got this inventory dashboard for beaded necklace, you had two in your business. You just have to input two. I hope that you understand that. Yes, so I want to assume you really understand that it is as simple as that initial quantity. The next column here is reorder level. At what point do you want to reorder this particular goods so that the inventory dashboard can tell you, oh, you have this product in low stock. That is, it is time for you to reorder. The moment you see an indicator of low stock in yellow, it shows that, oh, I am below my reorder level. So at what level, for example, you love to order beaded necklace when it is remaining three. That means your reorder level for it is three. So yes, this particular column, you have current quantity in stock, you have status, total inventory cost, total inventory value. Yeah, let me bring it to you that these columns that are shaded in pink, please, there are formulas in it, meaning that they are automated. You really do not have to input anything. Actually, you'll be unable to do that, but so you don't force any value in. Yes, so there are formulas here. Let me click on it. As you can see, there is a formula here. I hope that you understand that. So current quantity in stock, after buying and selling, it tells you how many of these products do you have in stock. Do you understand? The status, it tells you, oh, this product is out of stock, you have this product in stock, you have its low stock, and all of that. That is what it does for you. Total inventory cost is very simple. How much did you buy this product? 3,200 naira from here, right? And you have zero, you don't have that particular product. 0 times 3 2, that is just 0. I hope that you understand that. Same thing goes downward, but you really do not have to input anything here. There are formulas that does that for you. For every column shaded in pink, please do not input in it, but those in white, those are the places you have to input. Yes, so now, number of products, it just tells you, for example, you have a number in here, 1 2. This spreadsheet allows you to input as much as 3,000 products. Yes, 3,000 products, as much as 3,000 products. You can see it here. So it just tells you how many products have you been able to input. So if you can look here, I've been able to input 10 particular products. Let's say I want to input, and that is why it is indicating 10 right here. Please just follow my cursor. I hope that you understand that. But let's say, for example, I want to input a new product. Let's say nose mask. It automatically changes to automatically changes to 11 products. It adds up by itself, meaning that there is a formula there. That is why it is shaded in pink, and you really do not have to input anything here. Total inventory cost, yes, this is just how much of your money is tied up in your goods as your investments. I hope that. So for example, you took 200k to the market to buy your goods, and you want to know, without adding my profit, how much worth of goods do I have in my business. That is what is called total inventory cost. Total inventory value plus the cost and your profit. Yes, it tells you that, wow, so all my money in this particular business is 160,000 naira. You really do not have to input anything here again. There are formulas there that does that for you. Yes, the next sheet we want to look at, that is, let me say, the next book. Yes, you can call it a book in your workbook. This is a workbook. I hope that you understand that, with different pages. So the next we want to look at is your stock in sheet. As it states here, it is your purchase transaction log, meaning that as you keep buying your products, this is where you input them. But please take note, you must have inputted that product here at the beginning of your business. That is why, for example, you just bought, oh, nose mask. Let's say, for example, I just bought nose masks, 10 pieces. You must have been able to input it here before coming to your stocking sheet to input it. I hope that you understand that. So this is just when you buy a new product that already exists in your business. So I'm going to cancel this out. Yes, so the first column in the stocking sheet is first the date. That is, when did you buy this particular product. So for me, I'm recording this on the 18th of October, so I'm able to do that. But let's say, for example, you are using a cell phone and you are unable to do that. All you need to input is, this is 18th, right? 18th of October, rather. 18 slash October is the 10th month of the year slash 2025. it the full date, it brings in the full date automatically, 18 October 2025. You just need to input 18/10/2025. I hope that you understand that. Day followed by the month number followed by the year. Understood. So the next thing we want to look at is, yes, the product name. That is, oh, I just reordered. Let's look at another product. So whatever, as I said earlier, whatever product you have input here in this column B, you are automatically able to input it here. So clicking on this link, there is a list already, a list of every product you had already listed. The reason why this is done is so that you can ensure accuracy. If you keep spelling different things and you don't spell them rightly, there will be issues trying to make calculations for you. So that is why whatever product you have input in your inventory dashboard, this particular sheet, it automatically appears here. So let's say, for example, I just bought lip gloss sets, and lip gloss set is under cosmetics. You want to under cosmetics, but what kind of lip gloss? According to my inventory sheet, the lip gloss set is called Lamy set. Then I want you to notice something. I'm going to cancel this out again. Remember, I said this pink sheet, you really do not have to input anything there. So when I input the kind of lip gloss I have ordered, it automatically brings in your cost price per unit. I hope that you understand that. So let me input Lamy set. You see that automatically it tells you that, oh, the cost per unit of this lip gloss is 35, then price per unit, your selling price is 45. So how many did you reorder? Now I want us to look into this very sensitively. Yes, please put in your attention. So for example, we are looking at lip gloss. Currently, the current quantity in stock of your lip gloss is 10, but let's say, for example, you just bought two more pieces. Again, please note, when you input two, it automatically calculates 2 times 3,500, because that is your cost per unit price. So you bought one for 35 and you are buying two times 2, that is 7,000. When you enter it, it automatically inputs the value here. But now let's go and look at, for example, Lamy set was 10 before. Do you remember? But because we've added 2 to it, it automatically adds up 10 plus 2, which is 12. But let's say, for example, let's take a very quick note of that. I want to restock one, not two. We are expecting that it has deducted to 11 minus 1. So I hope that you see that in this pink sheet, you really do not have to input anything. There is automatically, it does that for you. Yes. So the next sheet we want to look at, and also it calculates your total purchase cost. So that just go all and on. Again, whatever product you have input here, you are automatically going to be able to write it down here. You can see that at the beginning there was no nose mask. I had just input it, and now nose mask now exists in my list of products. I hope that you can see it here where my cursor is. Very good. So that makes it very easy for you. Yes. So now I want to look at our stock out sales transaction log. This is basically where I feel like this is what you have business with every day as a business owner, because you keep selling. In as much as you keep selling, please keep updating. That is how you can make good use out of this spreadsheet. Yes. So now let's say, for example, as I said earlier, this is a dummy sheet. Do you understand? So let's say, for example, I'm recording this on the 18th of October. You right? And someone just bought, again, this is your sales transaction log. Let's say someone just bought sneakers from me, but now he wants to know, oh, what kind of sneakers. For example, probably you have Nike sneakers, you have other brands, and the prices varies. That is why it is important to fill in this so that the system can input the right price for you. I hope that you understand that. So if you can look at your inventory sheet, what you had input for sneakers, the variant you have is Nike, and the cost price is 14,000. Price per unit is 20,000. You in fact, you don't have that particular product in stock. So if I go ahead to input that product, it's going to input -1, and that is an error. I hope that you understand that. But let's deal with a product that I currently have in stock in this sheet. Cat eye sunglasses. Yes. So the variant of this is black, and it shows that, current quantity in stock is 5. But let's assume that I want to sell 2 out of this. So now, because we don't have sneakers in stock, I'm not going to be selling sneakers. I want to sell cat eye sunglasses, and the color of that was stated here was black. Now I want you to take note of something. Let me cancel this back. When it is cancelled, it doesn't bring any price here. But let's say, for example, I want to input medium. The cat eye sunglasses that you have input as the one in your business, it is not medium, so the system cannot bring in any price for you. So you just have to make sure that it is accurate. Please be very sure. Obviously, when you are selling, you can see what you are selling, so it makes it very easy for you. So black, when I input black, it tells me the cost price and the price per unit. I hope that you understand that. So for example, I want us to be very sensitive to this. At the beginning, we had five cat eye sunglasses in stock, but let's say I want to sell two cat eye sunglasses. Two. Again, if you've noticed, it automatically calculates the total sales amount for that cat eye sunglasses. Why? The price of cat eye sunglasses is 8,300. You sold two. There's a formula that helps you calculate the total sales amount. 8,300 times 2, 60,600. Do you understand? But now let's go back here. Before, we had five cat eye sunglasses, but now that we've sold two, you can see that it automatically deducts. I hope that you understand that. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. So you really do not have to input anything in these bars. This is just what makes life very much easy for you as a business owner. That being said, so let's say, for example, as a business owner, sometimes you probably have your regular customers or people that ask you to give discounts. If you give a discount of 200, please, let's take note. Before, the total price per unit, the total sales amount was 16,600. But when I give a discount of 200 naira, let me enter it. It is going to deduct, that is 16,600 was what you have before, minus 200. That is 16,400 that you can see here. But let's say, for example, I'm not giving any discount. You can just leave it blank and it is still the right price. Do you understand that? That is about discounts. So please, you can just read the headers you have here to know what to input. So now, sales channel, where did you sell this particular product? Did you sell it on WhatsApp, website, Instagram? At the end of the day, this just makes you see where you are making much more sales as a business owner. But yeah, I want to assume that this is a working client. I hope that you understand that. Now, daily sales dashboard. This is what helps you optimize. This is what helps you optimize your spreadsheet. Yes. So now, the first thing you have here is sales amount. So for example, you don't want to see how much did you make. You want to see how many did you sell in the month, in what month, in the month of. So there are varieties of months you can look into, but because in my dummy sheet I would only input sales for October and November, so I'm just going to deal with October. Okay, June, no, because there is no sales for June yet. So October. Remember, if you are getting the sheet for 3 years, because the price varies, you can see the sales of 2025, 2026 up to 2028. That's for 3 years. I hope that you understand that. But now you want to link into your sales for October 2025. Now, it shows you all the products. These are all the products you sold in the month of October. So it shows you that, oh, on the 1st of October, you only sold cat eye sunglasses. I hope that you understand that. And on the 2nd of October, it tells you that, oh, you sold both denim shirts and you sold throw pillow. I hope that you understand that. Then it writes here, you can see how much you made at the end of 2nd of October, 115,500. So you really do not have to input anything here again. It just gives you a data analysis of what you sold in the month of October. In as much as you keep updating products here, it keeps updating by itself. So now let's say, for example, 9th of October, I want to sell beaded necklace. This was empty before, but now let's see what happens when I sell a product on 9th of October. I want to input date, which is the 9th of October. Again, remember, we are selling beaded necklace, right? The variety of beaded necklace that we have is the one in white. Remember, again, it automatically brings in the price for you. But let's say I just want to sell two of beaded necklace. remember again, it automatically calculates for you 5,000 times 2 is 10,000 naira. Then let's assume, oh, I have given a discount for this particular client, a discount of 200 naira. This your total sales amount is now 9,800, and I have sold this product on Telegram. Now we want to see what happens. Before, there was no product on the 9th of October, but now we went to sell beaded necklace, and it automatically imputes it here. So this shows you that everything here is automated. You just need to input what you have sold. Yes, then another thing that makes so much sense for you here is total sales. So now you want to know, how much did I make in the month of October? How much money did I make? Again, these boxes in pink, yes, I call them KPIs. You really do not have to input anything there. There, it is automated. There are formulas there that helps you to calculate. Do you understand? So now this tells me that, oh, in the month of October, I made a total of 236,000 naira. Oh, total cost of goods sold. COGS means total cost of goods sold. You'll be saying that in your user guide written so that you can always remember. That is how much was your investment that brought out 236,000. That is the layman language. Do you understand that? So that is 1,167,500. Then you want to know, how much did I even make as a profit in the month of October? Automatically it tells you that. But now let's say I want to look into the month of November. Not much sales was inputted, but there are few sales. So now it tells me that, oh, you only sold lip gloss and sneakers. Do you understand that? You can see that this has changed, meaning that, oh, I made a total of 44,300, and this is a breakdown of how you made that particular amount. This is how much cost of goods, total cost of goods sold. Then the profit you made in the month of October is simply 12,800. Then here I forgot, okay, I didn't forget, yes. So now let's go back to the month of October, because that is where we have much more goods. So now you want to see, what is my top 5 products sold in the month of October? What exactly brought me much more money? Number one is denim shirts, followed by throw pillow, followed by cat eye sunglasses, followed by beaded necklace. Just this chart, do you understand? Then you even want to know, how much did I make from denim shirts? 59,800. Do you understand? You want to know again, how much did I make from throw pillow? It is written here, can you see it? 55,700. How much did I make for cat eye? So this just makes you see, helps you see into your business. Then you want to know, oh, as a business owner, where am I making more sales? So here in the month of October, it showed that, oh, you had much more working clients, followed by you sold more on Instagram, followed by on the website, WhatsApp, and on Telegram. This just helps you to make very smart decisions as a business owner. So the next thing we want to look at is your monthly sales dashboard. Yes, so this just shows you a monthly trend of your business, honestly. So for example, let's remember again that this is a dummy shirt, denim dummy sheet. Yes, I had only input goods for October and November. So if I had input goods for January up to September, you would see something here. I hope that you understand that. Yes, so in the month of October, wow, it's showing me that I made a total of 236,000. In the month of November, a total of a total of 44,000. And in total, in the year 2025, because you'll be using this for 3 years, so you can decide to look into any year you want to see your sales trend for that year. So it's showing you that, oh, in the year 2025, I made a total of 280,300. Do you understand? That is how it works. So let's say, for example, next year you use this particular spreadsheet, you can look into it again. This tells you how you are doing yearly as a business owner. Do you understand? And it is expected that the latter end of your business is greater than the former, but you really need to know so that you are not slacking and you are not just assuming things. So yes, should I call it a free gift? Yes, to you as a business owner using this spreadsheet is this expense tracker sheet. You keep spending money every day as a business owner, and at the end of the month, you are wondering, where exactly did my money go? Nobody spends your money for you, you just can't track it, and this helps you a lot. So as you keep spending money, the way you can optimize this is, please keep recording. So let's say today is 18th of October, right? I'm recording this on the 18th of October, and I bought signage for my business. Then how much did I buy signage? Signage is quite very expensive now. Let's say I bought it for 45,000, which I know it is way above that. Now signage is under, so now this helps you see under what category is your signage. It is under your packaging and branding. If you have spent money, probably you paid your rent, you can see it is under rent and utilities. You have paid your staff salary, transportation, logistics, you just paid delivery guy. You want to know how much of my money is going into delivery. Do you understand? Marketing, you keep paying for ads and you want to know how much have I even invested in ads this year, this month. Do you understand? So this just help you keep track of your business. So I said earlier, signage is under packaging and branding. Do you understand? Where have you taken this money from? Obviously it is your business. It has to be from your business account. Do you understand? You can take it from anywhere too. Probably your odogu gave you money. Please indicate. Do you understand? Yes, and you probably made a transfer. Then again, please remember, in this pink bar you don't have to input anything there. It automatically does that for you. Do you understand? So now the last is this expense summary sheet. So at the end of the month you want to know how much of expense, yeah, 142,000 I have spent on, many things, but I even want to know where is this money going to. No problem. In this dummy sheet, it is showing that, in marketing and advertisement, you spent a total of 7,500. In branding and packaging, 45,000. Rent and utilities, 5,000. Repairs and maintenance, 30. Snacks and food, 25. Staff salaries, 52,000. So you are able to keep track as a business owner. You are not just running your business on guesses. So yes, you probably have an investor and they're asking you, how are you spending this money? Let me see exactly how you are doing as a business owner. You are no longer confused. You don't need to bring out, you are not scrapping through pages to show proof, to show that work is there. No, you can easily share this with whoever wants to invest. Do you understand? And this just even helps you to make very smart decisions as a business owner. Yes, so this is how to make use of the inventory dashboard. Then yes, please remember again, total expense. Okay, I didn't explain this. This is just a total, whatever you are seeing here. How much did you spend in the month of October? And this gives you a summary. Do you understand? A breakdown rather. Then highest expense category. Where did your money go into the most? For this, it is obvious that your money went into staff salaries a lot, the most. Do you understand? So you can look into every month in the year. Do you understand? So that just works very well for you. And because this particular sheet is for 3 years, you can look into 2025 to 2028. But if you'll be getting that for 1 year, because obviously the prices varies, just to make sure that things are working for you, I have tried to break this down for you. You will only be seeing 2025 and 2026 in that which you'll be getting. Do you understand? Then yeah, so let's say for example you've watched this video and you just forget one or two things. I'll be leaving a written guide in this first sheet on how to make use of it. Yes, then also if you'll be making use of this on a mobile phone, yes, if you'll be making it is as simple as this. It is the same way. There is nothing too different. The same way it appears here is the way it will appear on your mobile phone. Then yes, also I'll be leaving you a guide on how to make use of this when you get it. So let's say you just got this particular sheet. If you are using it on your laptop, as I said earlier, you'll be seeing just 3 products listed here in yours so that you can easily edit them. I don't want this video to be more than 30 minutes. Yes, so you just need to come to this file. Look at this file. That's if you are making use of a laptop or a tab. Then make a copy. Do you understand? Click on it, make a copy. That copy is now yours. You can now edit. Do you understand? You can now edit. You can name it whatever you love to name it. I hope that you understand. Then if you are making use of this on a cell phone, on a mobile phone, to your right on your Google Sheets, yes, you'll be seeing a 3 line like this or a 3 dots. All you need to do is to click on it. Do you understand? Then a list appears. The list appears just as it appears here. Then you click on make a copy also. I just want you to follow my cursor. Then it is as simple as that. That copy is now what you make use of as a business owner. Thank you so much for watching. Please always remember that to make the best out of this spreadsheet, Always record. Always record. The same way you will carry your book and pen, please take your phone and record. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice day. Yes, for whatever time that you are watching this. Yes. Thank you.